Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now I explain question number 1. Integral dx by 1 plus root x into root over x minus x square. Okay, so let us take x is equal to sin square theta. Okay, so therefore sin theta equal to root x, where theta equal to sin inverse of root x. Now first we have to find dx value. Dx is equal to derivative of sin square theta. 2 sin theta into differentiation of sin theta, we get cos theta d theta. Now integral this dx value, we got 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Upon 1 plus root x. So x value sin square theta, root x is sin theta. So root over x square plus and right sin square theta minus x square. X square, it will going to be sin to the power 4 theta. Sin square whole square theta. Okay. Okay, it will going to be 2 sin theta cos theta d theta upon 1 plus sin theta. In this one sin square theta take out common. Outside sin theta, right? Root sin square theta is sin theta. Root under 1 minus sin square theta. So root or sin theta, 1 sin theta get cancelled, as well as cos theta. Root under 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos theta, or 1 cos theta get cancelled. What we get? 2 times of d theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay? Since root 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos theta. So let us do rationalization. So 2 times of 1 minus sin theta multiply and divide. In denominator value 1 plus sin into 1 minus sin square theta. Okay? 1 minus sin square theta, we have cos square theta. So 2 times of integral 1 by cos square theta minus sin theta by cos square theta. So 2 times of 1 by cos square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So integral secant square theta, we get tan theta minus this is integral sin theta by cos square theta. 1 sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. Tan theta into secant theta. Integral tan theta into secant theta d theta. Okay? Okay, let me repeat. So 2 times of integral 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta. We have cos square theta. So 1 minus sin theta by cos square theta. Since 1 minus sin square theta formula is cos square theta. Okay, 2 times of 1 by cos square theta minus sin theta by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta is nothing but secant square theta d theta minus integral sin by cos tan theta into 1 by cos is secant theta. Now it will going to be integral secant square theta. We have sin tan theta. Integral tan theta into secant theta. This formula is secant theta. Okay, but sin theta value root x. So where theta equal to sin theta value root x. This formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side? So root x, adjacent hypotenuse is 1, adjacent side is 1 minus x. 1 minus root x whole square. So root 1 minus x. So 2 times of, we have tan theta. Tan theta formula opposite side of theta by adjacent side. Okay, it will going to be root x by root 1 minus x minus secant theta formula hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is hypotenuse? 1 by root 1 minus x. Adjacent side value root 1 minus x. So 2 times of, so let us do LCM root 1 minus x. Okay, root x minus 1 by root 1 minus x. So this is answer. Let us go to the next problem. So integral dx by x square into root under x square plus a square. Okay, what is the form? Root under x square plus a square. So let us, x is equal to a tan theta, either a tan theta or a cot theta. So let us take x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, therefore tan theta equal to x by a. Tan theta value x by a. Now differentiation on both sides. Theta on both sides, differentiation with respect to theta on both sides. So differentiation of x, we get dx equal to a into differentiation of tan theta. We have secant square theta into d theta. Okay. Now, so what is the statement? Integral dx by x square into root under x square plus a square. On dx place we should write a secant square theta d theta upon x square, where x value a tan theta, x square is a square tan square theta, root under x square plus a square, where x value a tan theta, x square, a square tan square theta plus a square. In this one a get cancelled. So secant square theta d theta upon a tan square theta. In this one a square take out common, outside a. So root 1 plus tan square theta, this formula is secant theta. So root under 1 plus tan square theta, we have secant theta. Okay. Now one secant theta get cancelled. In this 1 by a into a, 1 by a square constant, right outside, integral secant theta, we have 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta, tan square theta formula is sin square theta by cos square theta. So one cos theta get cancelled. So 1 by a square into integral, this can be written as cos theta by sin square theta. Okay, sin theta into sin theta. One by sin square theta by cos square theta. This is nothing but cos theta by sin square theta. Okay, so 1 by a square into integral cos theta by sin theta, we have cot theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. So cot theta into cosecant theta. Now it will going to be 1 by a square integral cot theta into cosecant theta. We have formula minus cosecant theta. But tan theta value x by a. So tan theta formula opposite side by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is root x square plus a square. Okay. So this is minus 1 by a square into cosecant theta. Cosecant theta formula hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side of theta. What is the hypotenuse? Root under x square plus a square. Opposite side is x. So root under x square plus a square by x. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. So integral root under x square plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay. In this one x square take out common. So outside write x. So integral x into root under 1 plus 1 by x square upon x to the power 4. Okay. It will be x cube into x. One x get cancelled. So let us take 1 plus 1 by x square equal to t. 1 plus 1 by x square equal to t. Okay, now first we have to find dx value. Now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of 1 0. Differentiation of 1 by x square. It will be minus 2 by x cube into dx equal to dt. Okay. So dx by x cube. Now dx by x cube, we got dt by minus 2. This minus 2 divide on right side. So dx by x cube value dt by minus 2. Okay, dx by x cube. This place in, we should write dt by minus 2 root under 1 plus 1 by x square. So 1 plus 1 by x square place and write t. So integral root under 1 plus 1 by x square into dx by x cube. This is a statement. In this root under, this value place and write t. Dx by x cube. Now I say that dt by minus 2. Okay, in this minus 1 by 2 constant, integral, this is t to the power 1 by 2. Integral t to the power 1 by 2. We have t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 by 2. So this denominator value 3 by 2. So in the place of t, we should write 1 plus 1 by x square. Power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 3. In this one 2 get cancelled. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 3 times of 1 plus 1 by x square power 3 by 2 plus 3. This is answer. Okay, look at the next question. So integral x to the power 4 minus 1 dx by x square into root under x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Okay, in numerator 1 x cube take out common. Integral x cube into x minus 1 by x cube dx. X minus 1 by x cube dx upon x square into, so root under, in this one x square take out common, x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so root under x square value x. So integral x cube x minus 1 by x cube dx upon x square into root under x square value x. So root under this value will be x square plus 1 by x square. In this x cube get cancelled. So let us take x square plus 1 by x square is t. Okay, because this derivative is there in numerator. So let us take x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 equal to t. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. So differentiation of x square, we get 2x. Differentiation of 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. Okay, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of x square, we get 2x. Differentiation of 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube into dx. Constant derivative 0 equal to dt. In this one 2 take out common. 2 into x minus 1 by x cube dx is equal to dt. Okay, it will going to be x minus 1 by x cube dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, if x square plus 1 by x square is t, then numerator will be dt by 2. Okay, therefore integral dt by 2 times of root over t. So dt by 2, this value we have got dt by 2 by root under this place and write t. So 1 by 2 constant. Integral 1 by root t. Integral 1 by root t, we have 2 root t. 2 times of root t plus c. And this 2 get cancelled. Root over, where t place in, we should write x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay, look at the next question. So integral x square plus sin square x into secant square x dx by x square plus 1. Okay, how can we solve this problem? Integral, first write as it is in denominator. Now I say that first write x square. So adding and subtraction 1 plus 1 and minus 1 plus sin square x into secant square x dx. So integral, so x square plus 1 minus 1 plus sin square x. In this 1 minus 1 take out common. It will be 1 minus sin square x into secant square x dx upon x square plus 1 divide to each function in denominator. In denominator x square plus 1 divide to each function of numerator x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus x square. So now 1 plus x square get cancelled. This will be 1 minus sin square x value. We have cos square x by 1 plus x square into secant square x dx. Okay, now multiply secant square x multiply to all, secant square x into 1 integral secant square x dx minus cos square x into secant square x dx by integral cos square x into secant square x dx by 1 plus x square. We have integral secant square x tan x. Once cos square x secant square x get cancelled, both are reciprocal. So integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, it will going to be tan x minus this formula tan inverse x plus c. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.